Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created this instruction student part of my quiz or exam management system project. If you are not seeing that video, just go to description and check out the link. And here you can see there is a button. When we click on start quiz, it will move to the new JFrame. And in this, we are going to design for the quiz. So let's start. Let me move to the design section. And first, we are going to increase the size to 1366, 768. And after that we are going to remove min, max and close button from this form. So I'm just moving it a little bit down, and here you can see undecoded. Okay, just click on it and close it and save it. Now here first we are inserting the label here. So here I'm just inserted the label and going to the properties, and here I'm just selecting the index student png image, and after that I'm going to remove this label from it, and again we are inserting another label here, and in this I'm just writing the text that was is welcome. Okay, and I'm going to the properties, increasing the size of this font. Okay, so making it as bold and making it as 50. Okay, and after that we are just selecting this one. Okay, one more thing, we just need to insert here panel. So let me place a panel on it, and let me make it a little bit down, and this panel we are placing it at the top of this form, and we are making it 1366 full size of this, and let me make it a little bit big. Okay, after that we are placing this form on it, this uh, label on it, and we are changing the color of this is to this one. Okay, you can see this one color, and okay, you can see, let me decrease the size a little bit. Okay, not a problem. And after the welcome, let me make it a little bit up. Okay, and now we have to display the date. So here I'm just placing another label, and for display the date we are also placing another label. Let me make it as date. Okay, and here we just need to display the date, so leave it. Okay, after that we just need to here display total time. Okay, so let me read this text, total time we are, and after that we just need another label here. That one is used for like 10 minutes we are giving the time to the student. Okay, so we are just writing that. After that we need another label. That one is for time taken. Okay, and after that the first label we are taking it for here, let me read this text and making it as 00, and this one is for the minute, and taking another table label here for second. Okay, now we increasing the size of this text. Let me select this label one by one. Okay, and I'm going to the properties, making it as bold 20. Okay, 20. Okay, just close this. Now let me make it a little bit up first, and let me select this and place it a little bit up. Okay, and let me select this and make it a little bit down, and we also want to change this time color. We are changing it to red color. Okay, so I'm just selecting it red and clicking on OK. Let me close this. Okay, this one is, so background color is get changed, so we just need to change the forehead color, not a problem. Okay, just make it, just reset this. Okay, now you can see header has been completed, our header has been completed. Now we have to display all the details of that student. So for that we are just placing here panel. Okay, and increasing the size it little bit. Okay, and we are increasing the size a little bit down. Okay, not that much. and making change in the color. We are setting this color as it is the same. Okay, just click on OK, just close this. Now the next thing is we just need to insert label here. So I'm just placing the label here, and just this label is for the roll number. Okay, and after that we need another label. That one is for display the roll number. Okay, and one more thing here, we just did not write this. And after roll number we need here another label. That one is for name. Okay, and for the name we are also placing here another label. Let me read this text one more thing. Name, and here, and next we are displaying the total numbers of question. Total question. Okay, and the total question is 10. So for that we are also displaying here label. Let me read this, make it as 10. Okay, and after that we need another label to display question number, which question is right now. Okay, question number, and for that we also need another label. Okay, that's why placing here. Let me read this and make it as 00. Okay, after that question number we need another label to display the marks of 10 by that student. So here I'm just writing your marks. Okay, and after that we also need to display the marks. For that we are also using another label, and here I'm just writing 00. Okay, and after this we are increasing the text of all this. So one by one we are selecting this all. Okay, and okay, this one is not getting selected. So going to the properties, I am making it as bold 20. Okay, 20. Let me click on OK. Let me close this. Now let me decrease the size of this panel. Okay, and let me change it. The roll number is to 10000. Okay, and let me change the name is to like God of Kumar. Okay, and let me make it little bit right, and let me make it little bit also right. Okay, now you can see our header and left navigator, you can say, for the display the details has been completed. You can also increase the size of this, not a problem. And after that we just need to display the question. So for that we are also using a label here. I'm just placing a label here, and let me read this text, and I'm just writing question demo, and here I'm just writing question mark. After that we just need to display the options. So I'm just using the question, sorry, I'm just using radio button. Okay, radio button 1. Options, for that I'm using radio button 2, and the radio, okay, radio button 3. I'm just placing it one by one. Radio button 3. Okay, after radio button 3 we are inserting the radio button 4. Okay, these are our options. Okay, and after that we need here 2 buttons. Let me first check the size of this frame. It once says this is correct, and we also need to increase this size of this. Okay, so I'm just making it the panel size is max of this form. Okay, and after that you can see we are increasing the size of this. Okay, we are selecting this and going to the properties, making it as bold. We are making it as 20. Okay, let me click on OK. You can see close. You can see here. After that, here we need 2 buttons. The first button is for the next, and I'm just going to the properties and inserting the icon first, next PNG image in it, and let me read this text, and I'm just writing next. And after that we just need another button. That one is for the submit. So here we just need another button. Let me place it here and let me read this text, submit. Okay, and I'm just inserting a image in it. That one is our save, you can say save PNG image I'm going to use here. And going to the properties, I'm increasing the size of this, so I'm making it as bold 20. Okay, just close this, make it a little bit right. I'm selecting this one. Okay, and this one should all okay. Now let me check out the form size, 1366768. Perfect. And let me make a little bit this down. Let me make a little bit down. Okay, now we have to insert an image in the background of this form, and we also need to overlap this JPanels to this. So for that we just need to change the layout, set layout, absolute layout, and after that we are increasing the size of this and making it, you can see this one is both look like connected. After that we are inserting a label here, and going to the properties, I'm inserting a page background student. You can see this one image. I'm going to insert it perfectly on this form. Okay, it get changes. Okay, let me, okay, why it's overlapping, let me check out why it's this error I have. Okay, not a problem, you just need to do this way. Okay, and I'm just placing this here perfectly, you can see, and just need to double click on here, and we just need to remove this label name here, and just need to save. So let me run this and let me show you. Okay, you can see our front-end part has been completed. Now we have to write the codes for the backend. So let's start. Now it's time to write the codes. So for moving to the source, and here we are going to import Java project package with the connector provider class, and after that we are importing java.sql.asterisk. Okay, after that we are importing import java.awt. So I am first importing all which are I am going to use in this. Okay, so just follow it, event dot action event. Okay, after that we are going to import here, import java.awt.event dot action listener. Okay, after that we are importing import java.util.date here. Okay, and one more thing, we are importing import java.swing.timer. Okay, it's showing here. So java x dot swing dot timer. Okay, import this all, and after that we just here going to declare 4 to 5 variables here which I am going to use in it, this. Okay, public string, and first I'm taking question id equals to double quotes, I'm setting it 1. Okay, after that we are declaring public string answer equals answer, just answer. After that public int equals we are taking a variable, that one is min equals to minute, you can say, and after that we are declaring another variable public int seconds equals to 0 and public int marks equals to 0. So declare these variables. After that we just need to write the codes in this, and you can see there is a string roll number. So in the previous video I just show you how to transfer, or you can say from this page to this page, the roll number. So if you are not seeing that video, just go to the description and check out the link, and I highly recommend you to go and watch that video. Okay, after that first we are going to write the codes for the date. Okay, so I'm just also commenting that because this video is going to be so big. Simple date format, I'm just going to import here date format, and I'm just writing d format equals to new simple date format, and I'm just writing here dd dash capital M dash small y. Okay, after that we are just going to write date small and new date equals to, and after that j label, and which label we need to display the dates. So let me see label number 4, we just need to display the date. So I'm just moving to the label number 4, set visible, sorry, set text here we just need to write, and in this d format dot format, and you can see date. Okay, and this one is code for the date, and after that in double quotes we just need to write here display first question and student details. Okay, we are going to write the codes now for the first question. When which page will be loaded, then first question will display and student details. For that we are writing the code. So that one is connected with database, that's why we are writing try catch block here. Okay, exception e, and in this try block we just need to create the connection con equals to connection provider dot get con class method, and statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, after creating a statement we need result set rs equals to st dot execute query. Here you can see, and in this we just need to write here select star from student where roll number is equals to, you can see the roll number here, you can see the roll number we are taking from previous page, and here just need to write roll number. You can see it's working. After that we just need to write while. Okay, while. Okay, we just not need to write this while. Okay, it's while. Okay, let me delete this all. What type of error we are getting here? Okay, here we did not write here double quotes, that's why it's showing error. So you can see error get resolved. After that we just need to write while rs dot next. Okay, and here just need to write j label. We just need to check that in which we just need to display the name. So let me check out the label 13. In label 13 we just need to display the name of that student. So let me check it out. Label number 13 dot set text text, and here just need to write rs dot get string, and here I'm just writing 2. Let me open the database, and I guess the second number is for, okay, it get closed. I think I write the incorrect password. Okay, use quiz exam management system, select start from student. Okay, you can see the second number is for the name. Okay, so let me here you can see inserted the name. And one more thing, we also need to display the roll number. So let me go to the properties and check out the label name, and this one is for the 11. So here I'm just writing, here we just need to write j label 11, I guess, yeah, 11 dot set text. In this we just need to display the roll number. You can see automatically it will display after that. And after writing this, we just need to display the question. Okay, so the first question, so that's why we are using result set again, rs1 equals to st dot execute query and double quotes. I'm just need to display the question. So here I'm just writing the query select star from question where id is equals to double quotes and plus and the question id which I already declared. And okay, and this one is the first question, while rs1 dot next. Okay, double quotes, bracket. And in this first we are, so let me check out the question table, select star from question. So the first is for the id, so first we need to display the id. So the question number, you can say the question number should be displayed here. So in the level 17 we need to display the question. So I'm just writing j level 17 dot set text, just writing here rs1 dot get text. Okay, rs dot get string, sorry, and here just need to write 1. After first we inserted the displaying the question id. After that we just need to display, let me check out in the table. After that we just need to display the name. So name should be displayed in this level, question demo level. Let me go to the properties and check out the label. This one is level 20. Okay, so I'm just writing j label and the 20 dot set text, and in this rs1 dot set string get string, and here we just need to write 2. Okay, after one by one we just need to options. So for the radio button 1 dot set text, and here just writing rs1 dot get string and 3. So we just need to copy this 2 3 4. Okay, let me change this 2 3 4, and this one we also need to change it 4 5 and 6. Okay, after that we just need to there's a variable answer we are already declared here, and in this I'm just writing the answer rs1 dot get string. You can see the 7 column we are inserting here. Okay, and if any exception will be generated, in that case we are just writing a j option pan dot show message setting null. Okay, and you can see question and details of the student has been generated. Now the next thing is we just want to hear timer. So we also going to write the codes for the timer here. So I'm just writing time program here. Okay. So first thing is set location. So I just set the location relative to, you can see, and this. Okay. After writing this, we just need to write time equals to new timer. Okay, timer, and in this we are writing 1000. It means that 1 second, 1000 is equals to 1 second. Okay, after writing 1000, we just need to write a new action listener. Okay, you can see this one, and okay, it's automatically get generated. One more thing, we just need to declare a variable. So I am just declaring a variable here above this. Okay, timer time. Okay, let me move it again. You can see error get resolved. Now let me delete this all. Okay, let me make delete this. So here you can see error, just need to write here semicolon. You can see error get resolved. After that we just need to write codes in between. Let me remove a from here. After that we just need to write here z label. So first we need to set the second. So let me move right, and this one, let me check out the name of this level. So this one level is 9. Okay, so j level 9. I guess this one is 19, so I'm just 9 dot set text, and here I'm just writing text, and in this we just need to write a string dot value of, in this we just writing second, and j label, and that one is 8 dot set text, and in this I'm just writing a string value of minute. I'm just writing minute, min, and after that we are just writing if sec means second is equals to 60. Okay, and in this, okay, double equals, there should be a double equal, and equal, then sec is equals to 0, set to the 0, and minute is plus plus, and if minute is equals to 10, in that case we just need to do is timer dot stop. Okay, okay, it's showing error, sorry. There we just need to write time dot stop, and here we just need to here I'm going to create a two method. I will write here codes after that, and we just need to write the here, and here we are going to do that answer check, and submit. These two method I'm going to create. Okay, and this two will be executed if the time will be reached to the 10 minutes. Okay, so I will explain you about this method. Don't worry if it will generating a exception or wrong. Okay, after that here we just need to write sec plus plus second plus plus. Okay, and After this, we just need to write timer dot start. Okay, time dot start. Okay, let me save it. Now we are going to create first two method here. So I'm just writing here. Okay, so void public void, and the first is answer check. Okay, and after that we are public void question. Okay, and after that we are creating third method public void submit. Okay, now one we are going to write the codes in this. So let's start. The string, first we are taking a variable string and student answer. Okay, and equals to double quotes, just writing null here. After that, if J radio button 1 is selected, in that case we just need to student answer equals to J radio button 1 dot get selected. Okay, get get selected. We just need to write here get text, get text. Okay, and after that we having else condition, else if condition, else if we just need to write the same code. Okay, let me remove this and paste it here, and here just need to here change to, and here we are also changing to 2. Okay, after that we also need else if condition and pasting it here, and we just need to write here 3, and here I'm just writing 3. Okay, and else condition, that one is our last condition. In this we just need to write here student answer equals to J radio button 4 dot get text. Okay, after that we just need to write, we just need to match the answer. So in for that, student answer dot equals the answer which we retrieve from our database. Okay, should be match. If they match, in that case we are just doing is marks equals to marks plus 1. Okay, after that string, we are taking a variable string marks 1 equals to a string of, converting this int value into string form. Okay, and I'm just writing marks. Okay, after that we are just writing displaying this marks in our label. So let me check out the label name, and your marks, this one, going to the properties, I'm going to check out this one is label 19. Okay, so we just need to display J label, and this one is 19 label dot set text, and this one is a marks one. Okay, after that we just need to change the question number. So this one is for the equal the marks, check the correct answer. Okay, and after that we also need to change the question. So for that we are just writing the codes in it, question number change. Okay, or you can say question ID we are changing here. So for that, let me make it a little bit down first. After that, int question. Okay, question ID we are taking here, question ID 1 equals to integer dot parse int. Here I'm just taking, and question ID, this one is a variable you already declared. Okay, so question ID 1 is equals to question ID plus 1. Okay, and after the adding we are setting the question ID is equals to string. We are changing it to the values of, okay, and I'm writing question ID 1. Okay, you can see question ID is also get changes here. After that there's a one more condition, like if we reach to the question number 10, last question, in that case hide next button. Okay, for that we are writing the codes. So here just write if question ID dot equals, you can see double quotes, and I'm writing 10. In that case J button 1 dot set visible, and this one is visible. I'm just writing here false. Okay, you can see after writing this we just need to write for the question. So we already write the code for the question, so I'm just directly going to copy it from here. You can see like this one, this part of the code we just need to make it little bit, change it from there, and I'm just going to copy it here. Okay, and from here we just need to delete this part of, okay, just let me remove this. Okay, now it's working. Now question will be generated though, so question method is completed. Now we need to move to the submit button. Okay, so here we are just writing the codes for the submit. String, first we are taking the variable, so roll number we are taking, and we are taking the roll number. Let me check out the label name, and this one is level 11. Okay, so J level 11 dot get text. Okay, we created the roll number. After that insert, first we are using the insert check method here. Like when we submit, it also need to check the answers. Okay, so try, and in the try and one and catch block also, catch exception. Okay, and here we just creating the connection con equals to connection provider dot get connection, and in this statement st equals to con dot create statement, and st dot execute update here, and in this we just need to write the code update query, sorry, update student set marks equals to single quotes, double quotes. Okay, and in this, okay, let me make it little bit space. After that marks equals to marks variable. After that where roll number is equals to the double quotes, and I'm just writing the roll number. Okay, and after updating we just need to set visible. Okay, we just need to make it as, okay, when we set submit, then let me make a pop-up message. Okay, so dot show message. Okay, message dialog null, and here I'm just displaying the marks. Okay, so for that we just need here a variable we are creating, string marks 1 dot string dot values of, okay, string values of, in this we just need to write marks, okay, and here I'm just displaying the marks 1, okay. It will only display the message, and we also create a new JFrame in the next video also, so that's why we are not sending into the next page, okay, here. And we also need to display a message here, J option dot show message dialog here, just null, showing the exception, okay. After that we just need to move to the design section, and we just need to move to the button 1, next button, moving to the event action performed, and here we just need to call two methods. The first one is answer check method, and the next thing is question method, okay. After that we just need to write the codes for the submit. So I'm moving to the event action performed. So here I'm just moving here. If I'm taking a variable here, int a equals to j option pan dot show confirm dialog, okay, and I'm just writing null, okay, and I'm just writing do you really want to submit. I'm just writing here, and after that I'm select double quotes select, and after that we also need to set the option j option pan dot yes no option. You can see if a is equals to 0, it means that the user selected yes, okay. In that case we just need to execute two method, insert check method and submit method, okay. You can see. And one more thing, when we you can see there's a 4 option. Now when we select one, and we can also select the others, so we need to write a code that only one radio button will be selected. So for that we just need to write the codes. So here I'm just writing, let me move a little bit up, and in this we just need to write if J radio button 1 is selected, in that case J radio button 2 dot set selected false, okay. Else condition, okay, this one is, and in the same way for the others, like for 3 and 4. So one by one we are going to generate this event action performed, event action performed, event action performed, okay. Let me move a little bit up, and I just need to copy this code here and paste it here. One by one we also need to change it here. Let me make it 2, and in this I'm just need to remove 2 and 1. I'm just need to write here 1 3 4, and I just need to type here, paste it here 3, and here we just need to write 1, okay, 2 1 4, and let me paste it here, and here just need to write 4, and here just need to remove 4 and just need to write 1. So now we also need to write few lines of the code to clear our radio button. So I'm just writing the code in method insert check method, okay, after the checking answer, okay, here in down of question change, okay. I'm just writing clear J radio button, okay, and here I'm just writing okay, so just writing J radio button 1 dot set selected false, okay. Let me copy this 3 times, 1 2 3, okay. Let me change this to 2 3 and 4, okay. After that, we are moving to student details page, and you can say quiz part has been completed. Backend part coding has been completed. Now we are moving to student detail page and running file. Okay. And first we are going to fill this form. You can see we fill the form, and one more thing, we just need to the female. Let me click on save next. You can see we move to the instruction page. Let me start the quiz. Okay, you can see the timer started. Okay, you can see 2 3 4 5, it's changing automatically. And here you can see the roll number 11002, and you can see the name Anu, and you can see total questions you can see here, and the question number you can see 1, the first question this one is, and marks obtained is 0 because we do not submitted any question. Or you can say this one is the correct answer. All keyword in the C are in lowercase. Let me click on next. You can see after when we click on next, you can see the question number is changes to 2, and your marks is also get changes. This one is the correct answer, that's why it changes to 1. And in this, the correct answer is this one, but we are selecting this one. Okay, and let me click on next. Then you can see the question number is changed, but your marks does not changes. And let me select the correct answer. This one is the correct answer for this question. Let me click on next. You can see your marks is get changes, but the question number does not changes. Okay, and let me select the one more correct answer. Let me click on next. You can see question number 5, but and the correct answer is also get changes. Let me select any question answer. Oh, that one is the correct answer, not a problem. You can see question IDs, question number is changing, but your marks is as same. So the correct answer is no. So let me select this no. You can see we reach to the 5 marks, and the correct answer. And you can see when we reach to the question number 10, you can see the next button is automatically get removed. Okay, and the correct answer is volatile. Let me select this true. Okay, let me select wrong answer. Let me try to submit. Yes, you can see the marks. You can see the marks 5, and here you can see the time is running. Not a problem, we will move to the next JFrame, and we will also move to the next JFrame with this marks, so not a problem. Okay, so let me close this and let me show you that timer is working or not. Like we reached to the 10-minute, it has stopped or not. So I'm just setting here, making it as 6 second. Okay, I'm just setting here like making it as 6 second and making it as 1 minute. Okay, we are setting in 1 minute, we are having only 6 seconds. And let me run from instruction page, and we does not having roll number, not a problem. We just dummy data we are just displaying here. It will also not affect our data. Okay, and you can see roll number is empty because we have started from instruction page, that's why it's happening. You can see automatically get submitted. We did not selected any option. Okay, let me close this and select it again, run it again. Okay, run file. Let me move to the start quiz, and let me select it fastly because we having 6 seconds. Let me select one more correct answer. You can see, let me select one more. Okay, you can see stopped, and here you can see that we have obtained only 2 marks, and you can see the timer it get stopped, so that we reach to hours, you can say 10 minutes, that's why it get stopped, and it automatically move to the next page. You can say J option pan will be open. Okay, so this is all about quiz or exam of a student. In next video I'm going to create a new JFrame for the successfully submitted message of for the student, and with a score we are going to display. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.